What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. If not, welcome back. Guys, as you've seen in yesterday's video, we pulled the engine on a 2013 STI for some rod knock, and Adrian's going to get it tore down today. We're going to see the damage. Hopefully none to the heads, because we got a new OEM short block coming. So let's get it, boy. Alright, got the engine tore down. Here's the heads. Everything, pretty sure it's going to be reusable. These, the cam caps, where it lack of oil, has a couple little scratches in it, but where the metal went through. But we'll get it checked out and gone through by the machine shop, and then they will let us know. Go, Adrian. But now we're going to move on to getting this engine out of the wreck legacy into this legacy, so we can get it back on the road. So that's the next project for today. Waiting on parts for the XT and GT-R. So we'll check back in a little bit, guys. And the customer bring in some parts to wrap, so I'll probably have a little video on that soon. Alright, YouTube, we about got her back together. Had a pretty busy day trying to get some stuff done. Still waiting on parts on the XT. Had a couple people call. We're about to drop the heads off at the machine shop when we roll out, but these are in pretty good shape. Don't use your stock head bolts to torque to yield if you're building your Subaru. So they're going to go from that to that, all brand new. That's for another car. We'll be jumping on that one soon too, getting it back together, waiting on a few more pieces. Alright guys, thanks for joining us on today's adventure at TK Auto Works. Like I said, it was a little bit more busier. I didn't get to shoot all I wanted to. Hell, before I even know it, it's already 5 o'clock. So we're gonna check out. Adrian's already went to the bank for tomorrow's adventure. So make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, drop us a comment, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.